In this video, I'll show you how to record Microsoft Teams meetings. Recording a Teams meeting is useful when you want to save the discussion, review important details later, or share the session with people who could not attend. Microsoft says Teams meeting recordings can capture audio, video, and screen sharing activity. And after the meeting, they can usually be found in the meeting chat or the meeting details in your calendar. First, join or start your Microsoft Teams meeting. Once the meeting is running, look at the meeting controls and click More Actions, which is the three-dot menu. From there, choose Record and Transcribe, and then click Start Recording. In some versions of Teams, you may also see the option to start transcription from the same menu. Microsoft notes that when recording starts, people in the meeting are notified so everyone knows the session is being recorded. Before you try to record, it is important to know that not everyone in a meeting can always do this. Microsoft says, meeting organizers can control who is allowed to record and transcribe. In some meetings, only organizers, co-organizers, or presenters can start a recording, and in other cases, the organizer may disable recording completely. If you do not see the option, it may be because the organizer changed the recording permissions for that meeting. While the meeting is being recorded, you can continue speaking, sharing your screen, and presenting as normal. When you are finished, open More Actions again, go back to Record and Transcribe, and choose Stop Recording. The recording will then begin processing. Depending on the meeting and your organization's setup, it may take a little time before the file is ready to watch. After the meeting ends, you can usually find the recording in the meeting chat by opening that chat and selecting the Shared tab. Microsoft also says organizers can control who has access to the recording and transcript, with options like everyone in the meeting, only organizers and co-organizers, or specific people. That is helpful when the recording contains sensitive information. So the basic process is simple. Join the meeting, open More Actions, select Record and Transcribe, start the recording, and stop it when you are done. That's how to record Microsoft Teams meetings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.